Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to remove this flap. This flap comes easy, just the cover. So you just kind of pull it like this and slides out. So it has a couple of clips here on the back and just slides on the bracket here. This one is slightly harder to take it out. You're gonna need two flathead screwdrivers and you're gonna pry it out starting from here. There's this gasket and you just pry it out. I don't care much about the paintwork, so I don't bother covering it or paying more attention when I'm removing it because the car goes to scrap. But you can do with more care. So pry it from here. Here you must make sure you take this one out because that is holding the door closed. So this is how it looks on the back, and this is the motor that keeps it locked. Whenever you have issues with the flap not opening, probably this is the problem, or this plastic is broken. So this plastic, I think you can remove it from here. And opens like this. To disconnect the plug, you just push it from here. And it comes out. To put this plastic lever back, I think you just push this in all the way. And with this part, you put it here. Try and put it like this because it looks like it slides in faster. This part, put it back where it should, meaning here. And now the flap can close. As always, I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and see you on the next one.